like to show you guys the new hands-free display from Chevrolet. It turns out you don't even have to actually touch it. It'll just do everything all on its own. Absolutely splendid. I am really starting to get cheesed with this. Car's running. Car's in park. Do not take your eyes off the road. Okay. Sweet. Sweet. Love it. Thanks, GM. Hold this for whatever. Turn it back on. Thank you. I appreciate it. You are outstanding. Any minute now. I did this on my way here, but it was just like the boxes, and the music will play through Apple CarPlay when I plug it in, but I have to select the music through my phone. So I am going to go home and disconnect my negative battery terminal and see if that helps. I opened my door so you could hear the exhaust better, but here's an update. Yep. One of these days. One more press. One more press. Update. Disconnected battery for approximately 1.5 minutes. Closed trunk knowing not to close trunk. Had to climb through the car to fix trunk. However, boop! It's a thing. We're back. Well, navigation, everything works as expected. So, I guess having a car with modern technology isn't the worst thing that you could ever have, considering disconnecting the battery seems to solve it. Gotta say, love this car.